Hello friends, welcome to my channel NCERT and CBSE by Chopras. Today we will start Unit 4 of Class 6 English textbook Purvi. The name of the unit is Sports and Wellness. In this, the first story is Change of Heart. Change of heart मतलब physical heart का change होना नहीं है. It highlights change of attitude, change of behavior, right? And change of thought in a person's behavior. So let us do the activities before we read. Which games or sports do you play? You can write here, I play tennis, I play cricket, basketball, or whatever game that you play. Read the questions given below, talk about them and make a list. Which games or sports do you play for fun? तो कुछ गेम्स ऐसी होती हैं जो सिर्फ फन के लिए खेली जाती हैं, जैसे कि आई प्ले हाइड एंड सीक, छुपन छुपाई फॉर फन. एंड विच गेम्स और स्पोर्ट्स डू यू प्ले फॉर कंपटीशन? कंपटीशन के लिए आप क्रिकेट खेल सकते हैं, टेनिस खेल सकते हैं, यू मे हैव कराटे कंपटीशन इन योर स्कूल. तो एनी स्पोर्ट यू कैन प्ले फॉर कंपटीशन. हाउ डू यू फील व्हेन यू विन और लूज? सो आप जब जीतते या हारते हैं तो आपको कैसा महसूस होता है? सो आंसर कुड बी आई फील ग्रेट व्हेन आई विन द गेम एंड इट थ्रिल्स since it thrills both the body and the soul. When I lose, I feel a bit bad and let down. However, I try to console myself when I lose a game. तो जब मैं हार जाता हूँ तो मुझे थोड़ा सा बुरा लगता है, लेकिन मैं अपने आप को फिर सांत्वना देने की कोशिश करता हूँ. Next question. Work in pairs. Tick the correct meaning of the following. First one is friendly matches. Matches played to win a trophy or matches played without competition. So friendly matches are the one which are played without competition. Next one is opponent. Someone whom you compete with or someone you want to be partner with. So it is someone who you compete with, who is in the opposite party. Opponent comes from opposite. So opposite competition is called a opponent. Tally of marks. It is final marks on a report card or record of points in the game or match. So tally of marks is basically final marks on a report card. In the game or match, it is called a score. So from my side, it is tally of marks. Sporting spirit. So what is sporting spirit? Following all rules in a game or being fair and respecting each player in the game. So it is basically being fair and respecting each player. So let us read. प्रभात always wanted to win. प्रभात जो हमारा मेन कैरेक्टर है इस चैप्टर का, वो हमेशा ही जीतना चाहता था. His parents, teachers and friends said that he did not know how to accept defeat. उसके पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स और फ्रेंड्स हमेशा उससे कहते थे कि उसको हार स्वीकार करना नहीं आता है. डिफीट मतलब हार. द फैक्ट वॉज दैट ही कुड नॉट बियर लूजिंग. एक्चुअल तथ्य यही था कि उसको हार स्वीकार नहीं थी. नॉट इवन एट मार्बल्स. तो मार्बल्स आर द गेम, कंचों वाली जो गेम होती है जो हम छोटे बचपन में खेला करते थे. तो इवन कंचे में भी वो अगर हार जाता है तो दैट ऑल्सो ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू बेयर. उसको ये बिल्कुल भी स्वीकार नहीं था. ही फेल्ट सो गुड व्हेन ही वॉन दैट ही नेवर वांटेड टू गिव अप दैट फीलिंग. जब वो जीत जाता था तो उसको इतना अच्छा लगता था कि उसको ये फीलिंग बिल्कुल भी छोड़ने का मन नहीं था. ऑन द कॉन्ट्रेरी मतलब जस्ट द ऑपोजिट. और ऑन द अदर हैंड लूजिंग मेड हिम फील टेरिबल. तो जब वो हार जाता था तो उसको बहुत फीलिंग ऐसी होती थी, अनहैप्पीनेस की फीलिंग उसको होती थी. टेरिबल मीनिंग अनहैप्पी. ही थॉट दैट लूजिंग वाज द वर्स्ट थिंग दैट कुड हैपन टू एनीवन. उसे ऐसा लगता था कि अगर कोई इंसान हार जाता है तो वही इस दुनिया में सबसे बुरी चीज है किसी भी इंसान के लिए. So if Prabhat sensed that he would lose a game, he would not play it. ओके तो अगर प्रभात को ये लगता था कि वो इस गेम को हारने वाला है तो प्रभात जो है वो गेम खेलता ही नहीं था. He would take part only when he was sure of winning. वो हमेशा तभी पार्टिसिपेट करता था जब उसको जीतना उसका पक्का था. तो इवन इफ द गेम लास्टेड ओनली फॉर अ मिनट, इवन इफ वो गेम अगर 1 मिनट के लिए ही लास्ट कर रही है तो भी वो उस गेम को तभी खेलता था जब he was sure that he will win the game. You could not stop him from playing the kind of games he was really good at, like बैडमिंटन. तो वो गेम्स जिन पे वो अच्छा था, जैसे कि बैडमिंटन, वो बहुत अच्छे से खेलता था. लेकिन अदर गेम्स जिनमें वो अच्छा नहीं था, those games he never used to play because he was unable to accept defeat. A new student joined Prabhat's school and his name was Surya. अब क्या होता है कि सूर्या नाम का एक नया लड़का स्कूल में आता है. सूर्या वॉज एन एक्सीलेंट बैडमिंटन प्लेयर. तो सूर्या जो है बहुत ही एक्सीलेंट उम्दा बैडमिंटन प्लेयर है. प्रभात वेटेड फॉर द लास्ट फ्राइडे ऑफ द मंथ. जो प्रभात है वो लास्ट फ्राइडे माह के लास्ट फ्राइडे का इंतजार कर रहा है, क्योंकि लास्ट फ्राइडे वॉज सिग्निफिकेंट. इट वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वाई? बिकॉज this was when the coach conducted friendly matches in the games period. जो कोच हैं, कोच साहब जो हैं हमारे, वो फ्रेंडली मैचेस कंडक्ट करेंगे last Friday of every month in the games period. The teams were decided on Monday, and it was no surprise when Prabhat and Surya were chosen to play a round against each other. So मंडे को ही टीम्स डिसाइड हो जाती कि कौन किसके ऑपोजिट खेलेगा. और क्योंकि प्रभात और सूर्या दोनों ही अच्छे बैडमिंटन प्लेयर थे, तो उनको एक दूसरे के ऑपोजिशन में खेलने के लिए तैयार किया गया. इफ प्रभात वॉज गिवन द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, not if, it is Prabhat was given the responsibility of keeping score for their match. तो प्रभात को ये जिम्मेदारी दी गई थी कि वो ही स्कोर बोर्ड को मेंटेन करेंगे. ऑन अदर हैंड प्रभात प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द मैच विद ग्रेट सीरियसनेस. तो प्रभात ने जो है बहुत ही सीरियसली, बहुत ही मेहनत करके मैच के लिए प्रिपेयर किया था. सूर्या ऑन द अदर हैंड seemed relaxed, not taking the thing seriously at all. जबकि सूर्या जो है वो रिलैक्स और एंजॉय कर रहा था और he was not taking things seriously at all. He walked about the whole time smiling and cracking jokes about all sorts of things. वो तो हमेशा ही घूमते फिरते मजे करते हुए खुशी मनाते हुए चल रहा था. But on Friday at the badminton court, Surya was real phenomenon. So लेकिन वो खूब मस्ती कर रहा था, लेकिन जब फ्राइडे को बैडमिंटन खेलने का टाइम आया तो सूर्य ने दिखा दिया. he displayed, he exhibited very special qualities of a sports person. He won points again and again, laughing and joking all the time. तो वो पॉइंट्स पे पॉइंट जीतता रहा, लाफ करता रहा, जोकिंग करता रहा, मजे से वो पॉइंट्स जीत रहा था. However, Surya was paying so little attention to the match that Prabhat managed to change the scoreboard while his opponent was looking elsewhere. तो सूर्य जो है स्कोर बोर्ड पे या मैच के प्रोग्रेशन पे इतना ध्यान नहीं दे रहा था. तो प्रभात ने क्या किया उस समय? प्रभात मैनेज टू चेंज द स्कोर बोर्ड. प्रभात को बहुत बुरा लग रहा था बिकॉज ही वॉज अबाउट टू गेट डिफीटेड इन द मैच, ही वॉज अबाउट टू लूज द मैच. सो ही मैनेज टू चेंज द स्कोर बोर्ड. ही चीटेड एंड ही मैनेज टू चेंज द स्कोर बोर्ड व्हेन सूर्य यानी हिज ओपोनेंट who was Surya was looking elsewhere. Prabhat managed to win by cheating. तो प्रभात कैसे जीता? चीटिंग से जीता. He made a big thing of his win, but it did not matter to Surya. तो प्रभात ने जीत के बहुत मजा किया, खुशी मनाई, लेकिन सूर्या को ज्यादा उसका कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ, ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ा. It's been fun. We should play again some other time, said Surya. तो सूर्या ने प्रभात को बोला कि बहुत मजा आया खेल के और हम दोबारा से ऐसा मैच खेलेंगे. So let us discuss. State whether the following is true or false. Prabhat would accept losing to anyone easily. So it is false because we know that Prabhat was not able to accept defeat. Question 2. What was special about last Friday of each month? So what was special? The last Friday of each month was significant because the coach used to conduct or organize friendly matches in the games period. who was responsible for maintaining the score for the match. So in this match, Prabhat was given the responsibility of keeping the score for the match. Do you think Prabhat wished to play another match with Surya? So, in our opinion, it is no, as Prabhat almost lost the game which he won through cheating. So, if he plays another match, then he is sure to lose it. On that day, everyone was discussing their game and how Prabhat had played so well. तो उस दिन तो सब यही बात कर रहे थे कि उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा गेम पेश किया और प्रभात ने भी बहुत अच्छा खेला. सरप्राइजिंगली प्रभात कुड नॉट स्लीप वेल दैट नाइट. लेकिन रात को प्रभात को उस दिन नींद नहीं आई. Why he was not able to get sleep? Because he won the match, but he did not feel as happy as he usually did. उसने मैच जीत तो लिया, लेकिन उसको इतनी खुशी महसूस नहीं हुई. जीतना और खुशी होना दोनों अलग अलग चीजें हैं. तो वो जीत तो गया, he had won, but he did not feel happy as he usually did. What was surprising was that Surya did not feel bad about losing. और इससे भी बड़ा आश्चर्य यह था कि सूर्य को अपनी हार का बिल्कुल भी बुरा नहीं लगा. What was more surprising was that Prabhat saw Surya playing basketball the next day. तो इससे भी आश्चर्य की बात यह थी कि प्रभात ने सूर्या को बास्केटबॉल खेलते हुए देखा अगले दिन. Surya was so hopeless at it that he could not score a basket for 10 minutes. तो सूर्या जो था अपने बास्केटबॉल के स्किल में इतना बेकार था कि he was not able to score a basket even after playing for 10 minutes. Yet he enjoyed playing the game. So तब भी वो enjoy कर रहा था गेम को खेलना. His happy smile never left his face. उसके फेस से एक खुशी की जो स्माइल है, मंद मंद मुस्कान है, वो कभी भी नहीं गई. प्रभात kept a close watch on Surya for some days. तो प्रभात ने सूर्या को ऑब्जर्व करना शुरू करा. He was great at some things, terrible at others, but what was common was the enjoyment. तो सूर्य जो था कुछ चीजों में बहुत अच्छा था, कुछ चीजों में बेकार था, लेकिन कॉमन चीज एक जो थी वो क्या थी? It was his enjoyment. He enjoyed everything equally. वो हर चीज को समान रूप से enjoy करता था. As Prabhat went on with his observation, he realized that to enjoy a game, you did not need a scoreboard to keep a tally of your scores. तो उसने एहसास किया इस बात का कि गेम को एंजॉय करने के लिए किसी स्कोर बोर्ड या किसी टैली की जरूरत नहीं है. नीदर डिड यू हैव टू वरी अबाउट विनिंग एंड लूजिंग. और ना ही जीतने और हारने की चिंता करने की जरूरत है. यू नीडेड टू एंजॉय द गेम फॉर इट्स ओन सेक. खेल को खेल की तरह ही खेलना है. What matters is trying to do well and enjoying every moment of it. तो मैटर क्या करता है कि हम गेम को अच्छे से एंजॉय करें और साथ ही अपने आप की स्किल्स को थोड़ा बढ़ाने की कोशिश करें. प्रभात लर्न समथिंग थ्रू द ऑब्जर्वेशंस एवरी डे, soon realizing the change in himself. तो जैसे जैसे प्रभात ने उसको ऑब्जर्व करना शुरू किया सूर्य को, तो he felt that he is himself changing in his attitude. Realizing the change in himself means what changed? His attitude changed. He felt a sense of transformation in him. He had even begun playing hide and seek and felt sad whenever it was about to end. So he started playing all the games, even hide and seek. छुपन छुपाई का खेल भी उसने मजे से खेलना शुरू कर दिया. He also started joking while playing badminton. तो वो बैडमिंटन भी बड़े मजे से खुशी से खेलता था. Not taking it serious anymore. Soon the other students started talking amongst themselves. Good fun playing with Prabhat. That fellow definitely has a sporting spirit. बच्चे भी फिर यही बात करने लगे कि जो है प्रभात के साथ खेलने में बहुत मजा आता है. He is a real sportsman. Okay, so next is, let us discuss. How did Surya feel about playing? So what will be the answer to it? So Surya felt that one should play the game with joy and fun. He enjoyed playing the game. His happy smile never left his face. What was it about Surya that Prabhat observed? So what did Prabhat observe? Prabhat observed that Surya did not feel bad about losing the game as he did. जितना प्रभात को बुरा लगता था सूर्या को बुरा नहीं लगता था. In the next match, Prabhat observed that Surya never felt bad even though he hadn't scored a basket for even for trying 10 minutes. तो प्रभात को ये लगा कि सूर्या जो है वो बहुत ही स्पोर्ट्समैन शिप की फीलिंग से कोई भी गेम खेलता है. लेट अस थिंक एंड रिफ्लेक्ट. Read the lines given below and answer the questions. If Prabhat sensed that he would lose a game, he would not play it. He would take part only when he was sure of winning, even if the game lasted only for a minute. You could not stop him for playing the kind of game he was really good at, like badminton. So complete the sentence suitably. Prabhat would play a game only if play a game only if he was sure of winning. So answer is he was sure of winning. Which game was Prabhat good at playing? So Prabhat was good at playing badminton. So answer is badminton. Select the most suitable option to complete the sentence. So the behavior of Prabhat tells us that he was good at the game, sure to win, and afraid of losing. So answer is afraid of losing. He was scared of losing. Surprisingly, Prabhat could not sleep well that night. He had won the game, but he did not feel as happy as he usually did. What was surprising was that Surya did not feel bad about losing. What was more surprising was that Prabhat saw Surya playing basketball the next day. So question is, select the one option that tells us about the way Prabhat was feeling that night. So what was his feeling even though he had won the game, but he was not happy. So answer is he felt unhappy. Next question is, why does Prabhat find Surya's behavior surprising? So Prabhat finds Surya's behavior surprising because Surya is just the opposite in behavior. So he was a alien in behavior. He was just behaving the opposite to that of Prabhat. For instance, Surya was joyful even after losing the game. Next is, fill in the blank by choosing the most suitable option in the bracket. We can say Surya's reaction to not winning was similar to, as serious as, or different from Prabhat. So we clearly know that his attitude or his reaction to not winning was different from that of Prabhat's. So answer the following questions. How did Prabhat's attitude towards winning and losing affect his enjoyment of games in the beginning? So Prabhat's attitude towards winning and losing affected his enjoyment of games in the beginning because he could not think of losing. He was not able to accept defeat even if it was a very simple game like marbles. Next question is, why do you think Prabhat cheated in the beginning to win the badminton match against Surya? So Prabhat did so because he could not accept defeat, hence he cheated to win the badminton match against Surya. Also, if he had lost the game, he would have felt unhappy. How did Surya's attitude differ from Prabhat's? So Surya's attitude differed from Prabhat's because he used to enjoy every moment of the game while playing. He will not bother whether he will win or not. He was a very charming personality. So Surya was a very charming personality. He will not worry about winning and losing. Do you think Prabhat's approach to games was healthy? Why or why not? तो आपको क्या लगता है कि जो प्रभात की अप्रोच बिहेवियर था गेम्स के प्रति वो हेल्दी था या नहीं? सो प्रभात्स अप्रोच टू गेम्स वाज नॉट हेल्दी बिकॉज विनिंग एंड लूजिंग आर पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. Why do you think sporting spirit is important? So The sportsman spirit or sporting spirit is important, as you should enjoy the game while playing and also concentrate on winning. As a few times you might lose the game if the opponent is strong. In such cases, you should not be jealous and work hard to win the next time. You should always shake hands after the game to congratulate the winner. So that is sporting spirit. Explain how the story change of heart is suitable. How the title of the story, the title of the story is change of heart is suitable. So change of heart is a fitting title for the story because Prabhat changes his way of thinking. At first he only cares about winning, but later he learns to enjoy playing games no matter if he wins or loses. This change in Prabhat's attitude is what the title चेंज ऑफ हार्ट मीन्स. तो ये जो प्रभात के बिहेवियर में चेंज आया आफ्टर प्लेइंग गेम विद सूर्या, दिस इज व्हाट इज मेंट by the title. It's like he had a transformation and now he sees things differently. तो उसके अंदर एक कंप्लीट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो गया और वो चीजों को अलग नजरिए से देखने लगा. Next is let us learn. Make as many words as possible using consecutive letters without changing the order of the letters from the words in the boxes. One has been done for you. So badminton is written. So you have to use consecutive letters without changing the order. So one is bat, then admin, then mint, then ton, then on. But then we don't have to change the order. So what are the answers for others? So phenomenon is he, hen, even phenom could be one. Then it is no, then it is men, then it is on. So remember that you don't have to change the order. It is a small riddle which you can enjoy and do it. Basketball, it is basket, okay, then as, then ask, and then ball. Read the following sentences and circle the verbs. Everyone was discussing their game and how Prabhat had played so well. So in this, everyone was discussing is a verb, क्रिया का होना बता रहा है, and how Prabhat had played so well. तो वो प्रभात ने कैसा खेला था सब इसी का डिस्कस करें. तो had played is a verb and was discussing is a verb. He had won the game but he did not feel as happy as he usually did. So win is a verb and then happy is a verb. What was more surprising was that Surya had not felt bad about losing. So surprising and feeling bad is a verb. Now arrange the circle verb as the first action or old action or the second action as new action. One has been done for you. So first one was discussing and played. The first action was had played. पहले उसने खेला और फिर everybody was discussing. So what is next? Next is he had won the game but he did not feel happy. तो पहले तो वो had won the game and then he did not feel happy. The first action was उसने मैच जीता और उसके बाद उसको अच्छा नहीं लगा. Next is what was more surprising was that Surya had not felt bad. तो इसका क्या आंसर रहेगा कि पहला एक्शन क्या था? Had not felt bad, and second action was it was very surprising. So these the verbs in column A refers to the first action or an old action are past perfect. तो जो had past perfect is had plus V3, had plus V3. So those are called past perfect tense. So जो action I had already she had already left when I reached home. So that is past perfect कि एक काम पहले ही हो चुका था जब दूसरा काम हुआ. Question 4. Fill in the blanks with the past perfect form of verbs given within the brackets. So Prabhat dash already dash his homework before going to the badminton match. So Prabhat had already done or already finished his homework before going to the badminton match. Surya had played, so play, had played basketball for years before joining the school's badminton team. By the time Prabhat arrived, Surya had already won several matches. The new student Surya had never met Prabhat before coming to school. Before the games period, Prabhat had practiced badminton extensively. Next is let us listen. You will listen to an announcement. As you listen, circle the pair that was chosen to play chess. Refer to page 128 for transcript. So on page 128 there is a transcript given which you have to listen. Okay, so you have to listen and then answer the questions. So good morning everyone. I know you all are excited about the Friday friendly matches. This Friday we shall have three matches, one for chess, the next for Kho and finally one for badminton. I have put up the Kho team's name list on the sports notice board. Since this is a team game, your class 6B shall be playing against 6D Kho team. The Kho match refreshments are being sponsored by Xidium Sports Club. Let me clarify the spelling. It is Xydium, Xidium. Now the places for three matches is the first one is chess. It will take place in the first floor activity room with Vani as the scorekeeper. So for chess, Vani is the scorekeeper. Kho will be played in the sports ground where I myself will be the referee. And for badminton, we have chosen multi-purpose hall on the ground floor. The net will be put up there. For the chess match, it has been decided that this match shall be played between Sarita and Nupur. Two matches will be played during the regular games period on Friday, but Kho will be played in the second and third period. Remember, the Kho team's names are put up on the sports notice board. Good luck. So this is the transcript given which you have to listen through the help of your teacher or friend and then you have to answer the question. So आपने ये transcript सुन लिया है तो अभी question is कि who is going to play which pair will be chosen was chosen to play chess. So answer is Sarita and Nupur. You will once again listen to the announcement. As you listen, fill in the notes with important details. So how many friendly matches will be played? So it will be 3 matches that will be played. What was put up on the sports notice board? It was Kho teams names were put up on the sports notice board. Who will sponsor the Kho team's refreshment? So the club, which is Xidium Sports Club, will sponsor the refreshments. Who will be the scorekeeper for chess? For chess, it is Vani. Who will be the referee for Kho? The narrator or the sports teacher himself. Which Friday periods are meant for Kho? So it is second and third periods. Let us speak. Look at the situations given below. In pairs, take turns to use the 3 magic words, please, thank you and sorry. For the situations given below, use the prompts given in the table to learn how to thank and apologize properly. So there are some prompts given for request. It is could you please can you help me with, kindly. Then for rude behavior, it is I'm very sorry, I apologize. Or for a mistake, it is I'm sorry, that was my fault. Or for being grateful or thank you, you have to say thank you, it means so much to me, I truly appreciate your help, or I wish you to thank you from the bottom of my heart. So all these phrases you can use. So let us do this exercise quickly. It is a very simple exercise, you will enjoy it. So first is your Vani. You want to request your friends to take your own team during the to take you on their team during the games period. So how will Vani say this? She will request. So she says, I want to request you to please take me to your team during the games period. I love playing with you all. Next is you are Swamivan and you want to tell Hitesh to help you with cleaning of the classroom cupboard. So what Swamivan will say, Hitesh, please help me with the cleaning of the classroom cupboard. It will be very easy if we do it together. Next is your Sumit. You accidentally spilled water on Nupur's desk. So what will Sumit say? Dear Nupur, I am sorry I accidentally spilled water on your desk. Let me help you clean it up. Next is you are Hitesh and you forgot to get Simran's art file to school. So you have to apologize. So Simran, I forgot to get your art file to school. I am sorry and I promise to get it tomorrow. Your Kriti, you spoke rudely to Nupur. So Nupur, I am very sorry. I spoke rudely to you. I shall never repeat it again. You are Mohan. You wish to thank Hitesh for helping you practice for the inter-house speech competition. Thank you so much, Hitesh, for helping me to practice for the inter-house speech competition. It means a lot to me. You are Meher. You are grateful that Simran helped you understand a chapter taught at school when you were absent. So how will Meher say, I am grateful, Simran, that you helped me understand a chapter taught at school when I was absent. It has helped me a lot. Next is you are Rima. You are thankful to Geeta for helping you collect the notebooks from the staff room. So how will you tell it to Geeta? So Geeta, I am very thankful to you for helping me to collect the notebooks from the staff room. I appreciate your help. So these are how you use three magical words, that is thank you, sorry and please. Next is let us write. So this completes our let us speak section, and then it is let us write. So Prabhat managed to change the scoreboard while Surya was looking elsewhere. Yet he did not feel so happy that night. Unable to sleep, he decided to write down his feeling in his diary. तो जो प्रभात है, क्योंकि वो बहुत दुखी है, तो वो डायरी एंट्री करेगा तो रात को, तो वी हैव टू हेल्प हिम. तो गिवन बिलो is the page where he wrote his feelings that night. Complete it with the help of phrases given in the box below. So there are some phrases and you have to help him write the diary entry. So let us see the answer. So today I defeated Surya in badminton match, but I do not feel happy about it. He was playing very well and was getting the points easily. I was sure I would lose the match. So when everyone was laughing at the joke he cracked, I managed to change the scoreboard. मैंने scoreboard बदल दिया. No one noticed the change and I won the match. But what surprised me the most was that he said he had fun playing with me and we should play it again. How could he be so relaxed after losing a match? He should have been sad, if not crying over his loss. Though I felt very happy, I did not enjoy it as I usually do. It disturbed me that Surya did not feel bad about losing the match. It is still bothering me. Is it because I changed the score? I do not understand myself. Let me sleep now. I feel that it may make me feel better. Good night. So, this is Prabhat's diary entry. Now let us explore, read the brief bio sketches of sports persons from India. So this is Deepika Kumari. So she is an archer, Tirandaz from Jharkhand. Her father is an auto rickshaw driver and mother is a nurse. She practiced archery while aiming for mangoes with stones. तो वो पेड़ से आम तोड़ने के लिए स्टोन फेंका करती थी एंड तब से उसने तीरंदाजी करने का मन बना रखा था. प्रैक्टिस आर्चरी विद होम मेड बैम्बू बाउज एंड एरोस. तो उन्होंने घर में ही अपना तीर कमान बनाया था. ज्वाइन टाटा आर्चरी एकेडमी. आर्चरी सीखने के लिए उन्होंने एकेडमी ज्वाइन करी एंड शी वन अ गोल्ड मेडल इन 2010 कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स. So this is Deepika Kumari. Next is Neeraj Chopra. He is a young athlete from Haryana, Khandra village in Haryana. His family largely is involved in agriculture. खेती बाड़ी के कामों में इनके फैमिली के लोग लगे रहते हैं. He is first Asian athlete to win an Olympic gold medal in javelin throw. तो वो पहले एशियन एथलीट हैं जिन्होंने जेवलिन थ्रो में ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडल जीता है. ही हैज वर्क्ड हार्ड फॉर सेवरल इयर्स टू अचीव हिज पैशन. वो काफी पैशनेट हैं. एट द एज ऑफ 23 he became the second Indian to win an individual gold medal in Olympics. Okay, so with this our chapter unit 4 change of heart completes. So friends, if you like my video, please like this and subscribe to my channel and do share the channel with others. Thank you.